Here at Sentinel Products, we are proud to be a leader in the development and manufacturing of innovative, environmentally friendly cleaning and coating solutions across a variety of industries. Today, we want to share the outstanding features of our odor control products, 522, 538, and 522 odor blocks. Sentinel 522 Smoke and Odor Cleaner and Destroyer is a safe, biodegradable, concentrated, water-based product that not only cleans, it also destroys odors rather than covering them up. 522 can be applied to any washable surface with a variety of applicators, such as sprayers, foamers, foggers, or bucket washing. Sentinel 538 Sealer Primer Odor Encapsulant is a zero VOC water-based alternative to shellacs or oil-based primers. 538 locks down odors caused by fire, pet spills, sewage, and other sources. 538 is available in clear and white, can be applied in a variety of ways, and cleans up simply with warm water. Place 522 odor block anywhere unwanted odors exist. 522 odor blocks are a semi-solid product that destroys odors at their source, leaving behind a fresh scent. For more information on Sentinel's products, visit www.senpro.com or call 800-373-0633.